Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's start today's garden tour with the onions, ornamental onions. This is Allium rosembochianum, and I have my onions growing nicely. Some of them are already putting up scapes. And this Allium is Allium Christophi, and it's grown from seed. This is another rosembochianum, and you can see that the bees like it really much. And early flowering tulips are already going dormant. You can see this is a late flowering, and these spots are botrytis spots on the leaves, so I have to apply some fungicide. Still have the Smyrnium olusatrum in bloom and seed pods, and you can see there's a wasp. The wasp is called Polystes gallicus, and you can see that the flowers are frequented by beetles and other wild bees, really small wild bees also. So it's a lovely plant. You can see that the chives are in flower. I have the pink one, Allium schönophrasum, and I have the white one in flower. I have to pick the flower heads soon because they are going to shed their seed and they are going to grow out everywhere. Sorry, this one is called Allium cesium aravan. It's a very nice blue one. And I have the Allium schönophrasum cha-cha, also not in bloom because it's not going to get bloom, but it has these small plants up in the inflorescence. And I have my beautiful lilies. Some of them are 150 centimeters tall, so 5 foot, and some of them have these yellow shoots. Here you can see it better. And I was thinking it's because it's going to turn green later. It might be a deficiency, or it needs more acidic soil because my soil is very alkaline. And here you can see some plants didn't grow, mainly the orientals and aloe hybrids. But for example, I have regale here with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17 buds. This one is even more, has more. This one also has a lot of buds. And some cultivars haven't survived, so it is what it is. Oh, I would like to show you my Xanthodacia aethiopica. It flowers really nicely now. Also there are some thrips, and these are the buds coming up, and this one is a seedling. I also got some really nice virus infected Dicentra, and I'm going to use this for my research. And Hemerocallis minor is also in buds. So I really have some of the OTs, and trumpets are really nice. It has some virus. All of them have virus because they're plants. They get infected with viruses. But they're really nice, big. And some of the LA hybrids are also nice with a lot of buds. And some plants are just not sprouting, like here. So you can see how big these are, and these OTs need a little more acidic soil because you can see the chlorosis. It's also virus infected, so both the chlorosis and the virus makes these plants a little more yellow. I have some seed-grown chives, white and pink. I'm going to give these plants away in the family because they're lovely. And the early ephemerals are starting to go dormant, and the hostas are just gorgeous. Lilies. Oh, I have the ever-bearing strawberry in flower. How nice. And I already have some fruits. This cultivar is not that great because it's very sensitive to Phytophthora. And you look, there's a stink bug, and the fruits are not getting really sweet. And my Nepeta is in bloom, so it will be frequented by bees and wasps. And the pulmonarias are finishing up nicely, and the alliums are starting. So these are the Schuberti, the white one and the normal pink one. You can see the pink one here. This is Allium altissimum album. This one is Goliath, and you can see the bees on them. And also Allium atropurpureum is in color buds. And this one is a shock for me because I thought that Allium aflatonense purple sensation is vegetatively propagated, but it's not. It's seed grown. All these plants are from the same supplier, same bulb size, planted at the same depth, and you can see that they're like the sea in wind or storm. One tall, one small, and the colors are also different. Some plants have bulbils in the inflorescence. I like this one because it's the darkest, so I will have to mark this plant, but it's such a disappointment. It's not an expensive plant, but it is what it is. So now I like to show you my fusions. They're really nice. They are going to have like 8 to 10 buds this year because they were just replanted. And yep, that's all. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.